loves, welcome back to Life with Jess. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jess. Welcome to my channel. So loves, today I am super excited because I'm going to show y'all what thredUP sent me. So I am officially a thredUP ambassador. I love thredUP. thredUP is an amazing online thrift store, and y'all know how much I love thrifting, so getting to work with them, oh my gosh, literally super excited. I'm gonna put the website right here. You can literally go on there and you can shop for anything. Literally, they have dresses, skirts, purses, accessories, literally anything you can think of, they have it there, and they have so many brands to choose from. They have so many items to choose from. Literally, I always get so overwhelmed getting on there because I literally want everything. Everything's just so good, and I'm not even lying to y'all. Before I got to work with them, I ordered from them a couple of times, and literally their quality is so good. Like, it kind of had me shook. I'm going to be styling what I got today. I don't remember what they sent me. Their packaging is literally so cute. These polka dots are so cute. I'm gonna open this up and then show y'all what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited. I literally can't get over how cute their packaging is. Like, I'm gonna take this out. Look at how cute this is. Like, it's so well packaged. I got some cute heels. Look at this. This is totally my style. I love them. They are Steve Madden, and they're literally, they look new. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Girls, oh my gosh, look at the detail. It's like cute little butterflies. This is perfect for spring. Ooh, I got this cute top. It's this black collar top. It also sent me this cute skirt. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I cannot wait to wear this for summer. It's gonna look so cute. This scarf is so adorable. Look at this. Like, it has like gold. I love gold. I need to like stop and relax for a second because this is so cute. This makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I literally want to live in this scarf. Okay loves, I'm gonna show y'all how to style this outfit so that y'all can go shop at thredUP and get something similar. You can add the scarf for a little bit more fun. Honest review about each item that I got. I actually tried on the Steve Madden shoes, and they are so comfortable. Literally super comfortable. These are the other pair of thredUP shoes that I've got, and honestly I overwear these so much. They are super comfortable. These shoes are insanely comfortable. 10 out of 10. This is literally a 9.9999. The only reason why I said 9.9999 is because my thumb is a little bit chubby, so it's kind of tight, but it's comfortable. It's a comfortable tight. This dress, honestly, super comfortable. I actually tried it on, and it's super soft to the skin. It also has this little cute slit on the side, so I think the detail is amazing. 100 out of 100, super comfortable. And this one fit really nice. I loved it. 10 out of 10. The skirt, I would say, I think it's my fault, but I would rate this a 9 just because it's a little bit too short from the behind. But like I said, I don't think I read the measurements correctly whenever I got this, but it's super cute. I think for the summer and for the beach, it'll just be perfect. It's a really like cold, breezy material, so it doesn't get too hot, you know, and it's not super tight, which is pretty impressive. Of course, y'all know how I feel about the scarf. It's perfect. I literally love it. This is how I'm actually ending the video. Okay, I need to stop being obsessed with this scarf. It's so cute, but I'm gonna wear it like every day. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, loves. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love thredUP so much. I hope that y'all fell in love with thredUP. Okay, loves, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to keep supporting me in my dreams. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me in thredUP. I love y'all so much. Bye. Have a great day. This little hair of mine, whenever I was editing, I could totally tell it was on my face. Does that ever happen to y'all? Anyways, I'm still wearing the scarf. Okay, bye.